Hey ladies, I have had some requests on how to use Canva a little bit better, so I'm going to give you just a really quick overview, just kind of how to add your website and easy things like that. So I'm already on www.canva.com, and this is the page it comes to when it comes up. So we're going to do a Facebook post, and then once this comes up, you'll see over here where it says Uploads. You'll click Uploads, and then upload your own image. So like for me, I have everything in a folder like titled, so like I have April 2018, and everything that I find for April I save in that folder, so it automatically takes me to that folder. So let's say we're going to take the April special and upload that. I technically have already done that, but for sakes of showing you, I want to show you how to do that. So until it's done highlighted green like that, then you can take the picture and drag it over to your blank canvas over here. And so let's say that looks a little plain, so I just want to add a background to it. So I'm going to add a black background, and then I want to add some text. So you'll click on text here. You can use these three up here. This is going to be your larger, your medium, your smaller font. So I'm going to do like a medium font, and I'm just going to put my website. Okay, so you can't see it real well, so I'm going to move it down here to the bottom where it's in the black where you can actually see it, and I have a typo. So you can adjust this. You can move this picture up and down. You can move your website up and down. You can change the colors. You can change the font style up here. So let's say I want to change the font a little bit. Let's make it a little prettier. And then say you wanted to change the color, you could change the color here. You can make it bigger, so you would just make it bigger by changing that number there. So once you've kind of played with it and done what you wanted to do with it, then you just go here to download. And it's going to pull up this screen. So I don't know what the deal is here. It's all blurry on that end. I don't know why. So I always do it as a PNG or a JPEG, or unless I want a PDF, I don't ever change this. I just leave it at what it comes up with. And then I'm going to click the download. So it's preparing my design. And then on my computer, once it's done, it pops up down here on this bar down here. So I'm going to click on it. Because until you save it on your computer, it's really not, you haven't done anything with it yet. So I'm going to click these three little dots, click Save As, and I'm just going to say April Special with website. And we're going to save that. So then it's going to be in that folder that I have created for April 2018, where I can use this on my customer group page or whatever I want to use that for. So I hope that helps. That just kind of gives you a quick overview of how to add a picture and add your website or some wording or whatever you want to add to it. So hope that helps. Bye, ladies.